Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about the series combination of resistors. For example, how to find the equivalent resistance of the three resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in a series. So, what is the equivalent resistance? In series combination, R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is a formula for series combination. Now we discuss about the parallel combination of resistors. Okay. Now take three resistors R1, first resistor, and second resistor R2, and third resistor R3. Okay. So parallel combination means plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. So now join three pluses and join three minus. Okay. So all pluses are connected to the positive terminal of the battery and all minuses of resistors are connected to negative terminal of the battery. Clear? Now each resistor is connected with ammeter. So ammeter symbol A. So what is the purpose of ammeter? It measures the current in the circuit. Okay. Here first ammeter measures the current through resistor R1. For example, the current passing through resistor R1 is equal to I1 and the current passing through resistor R2 is I2 and the current passing through resistor 3, that is the current I3. Clear all of you? So this is the circuit diagram of the parallel combination of three resistors. Clear all of you? Now, so in parallel combination, voltage of the battery is constant. Voltage of the battery is constant. Clear? So in series combination, current is constant. But in parallel combination, the voltage of the battery is constant. Okay, clear? So according to Ohm's law, you know already Ohm's law formula. So V is equal to IR. So by using Ohm's formula, Ohm's law, here find I value. So I is equal to transpose R to LHS. Then I is equal to V by R. So this is Ohm's law. So here the V indicates the voltage of the battery and R indicates the equivalent resistance of the three resistors are connected in parallel. Clear? So now I indicates the current passing through battery. Clear? So I is equal to V by R. So now the current passing through first resistor I1. So according to Ohm's law, I1 is equal to V by R1. So here V is voltage of the battery and R1 is the resistance of the first resistor. Okay. So the current passing through first resistor I1 is equal to V by R1. Now according to Ohm's law, so the current passing through resistor R2. So I2 is equal to V by R2. Now the current passing through resistor R3 is I3. So I3 is equal to V by R3. Clear? So I is equal to V by R. This is equation number 1. And I1 is equal to V by R1. This is equation number 2. And I2 is equal to V by R2. This is equation number 3. And I3 is equal to V by R3. This is equation number 4. Clear? Okay, students. Now, so here I indicates the current passing through battery. So I is equal to. but I1 is equal to the current passing through resistor R1, and I2 is equal to the current passing through second resistor. I3 indicates the current passing through third resistor. So, but the total current is equal to I is equal to the sum of the three currents, I1 plus I2 plus I3. Clear? So, but I is equal to V by R. So, from equation number 1. And I1 is equal to, from equation number 2, V by R1. And I2 is equal to, from equation number 3, V by R2. And I3 is equal to V by R3 from equation number 4. So V by R is equal to, now take common, okay, V here. V is common. So remaining 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So here VV cancelled. So one time. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So here R indicates the equivalent resistance when three resistors are connected in parallel. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is formula for the equivalent resistance of three resistors connected in parallel combination. Clear all of you students? So in series combination, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. But in parallel combination, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Clear? Topic is the combination of cells in series. So cells means batteries. Okay? Now take three batteries. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. So E1, E2 and E3. Okay. So here plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. This is a combination of the cells in a series. Okay. Here E1 indicates the voltage or EMF of first battery, and E2 indicates the voltage of the second battery, and E3 indicates the voltage of the third battery. So now what is the total voltage when three batteries are connected in a series? Okay. So now, so total voltage is equal to simply the sum of the all voltages. Okay. Sum of the all voltages means E1 plus E2 plus E3. Clear? This is formula for the combination of the cells in a series. Okay. For example, E1 is equal to 3 volts, E2 is equal to 4 volts, and E3 is equal to 2 volts. Now, what is the total voltage in the circuit? So, E is equal to E1 3 and E2 is equal to 4 and E3 is equal to 2. So, total voltage is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2, that is equal to 9 volts. Clear all of you? This is called the combination of the cells or batteries in series combination. Clear all of you? Okay. Okay students, now we discuss about the combination of the cells or batteries in parallel. Okay. Now take again three batteries. This is first battery E1 and second battery E2 and third battery E3. This is called parallel combination. This is called parallel combination of batteries. So here what is the final voltage or total voltage in the circuit? For example, here E1 is the highest value which compared to E2 and E3. Then the total voltage in the circuit is equal to E1. Or the highest voltage is E2 means okay, which compared to E1 and E3. then the total voltage in the circuit is equal to E2. Okay, otherwise E3 is the highest value in this circuit. Then in this circuit the highest voltage is E3 means okay, the total voltage in this circuit is equal to E3. Okay, clear? For example, E1 is equal to 3 volts, E2 is equal to 4 volts, E3 is equal to 5 volts. So 3 volts battery, 4 volts battery and 5 volts battery. So these three batteries are connected in a parallel combination. Now what is the total voltage in this circuit? This is parallel combination. So parallel combination means the total voltage is the highest voltage. Which one is the highest voltage in this one? So E3 is the highest voltage. So now, so what is the total voltage in this circuit? So simply 5 voltage. Clear? In a parallel combination, the highest voltage is the total voltage. In series combination, that sum of the all voltages is the total voltage. Clear? We discuss about the problems on series and parallel combination of resistors. Okay? First one, we discuss about the problems on series combination. Okay? For example, 3 ohms, 5 ohms and 6 ohms. Okay? So the 3 resistors are connected in series. So what is the equivalent resistance? So in series combination, so first one R1, R1 is equal to 3 ohms, R2 is equal to 5 ohms and R3 is equal to 6 ohms. Okay? So now R1, R2, R3 are connected in series. Okay? Series means the total resistance is equal to R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So now R1 is equal to 3 ohms, R2 is equal to 5 ohms, R3 is equal to 6 ohms. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. So R is equal to 14 ohms. So the equivalent resistance is equal to 14 ohms. When 3 resistors, 3 ohms, 5 ohms and 6 ohms are connected in series. Clear? Students, now we discuss about the problem on parallel combination of resistors. For example, 4 ohms, 4 ohms and 4 ohms. So these 3 resistors are connected in parallel. So now what is the equivalent resistance? Okay. In parallel combination, what is the formula? 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. Now first one is R1, second one R2 and third one is R3. So 1 by R is equal to R1 is equal to 4. So take R1 is equal to 4 and R2 also 4 and R3 also 4 ohms. So 1 by R is equal to, here denominators are same. So we should add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 simply 3 by 4. Okay. But we have to find R value or equivalent resistance. So just do the cross multiplication. 4 into 1 and R into 3. But if you want R value, so R is equal to simply, now transfer 3 to LHS side, simply 4 by 3. So what is the equivalent resistance in parallel combination? R is equal to 4 by 3 ohms. Clear all of you? This is parallel combination of resistors. Okay.